Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have a gardening video. Yes, I haven't done it for a while, but today finally all my plants, succulents and aloe veras are here, so I'm going to arrange them in a way that I can plant into 4 different pots, like this one, the yellow one and the other white one. So let me explain what I'm gonna do. Because I have the dirt but I don't have the needed sand for the succulents, I'm going to plant just into this potting soil. After they start growing, I may move them into another pot, a larger pot. And now for this pot, I already put some small river rocks on the bottom so the soil doesn't get too moisty. And then on top I will add the soil just like this.
I'm gonna make a mess, but that's okay.
So I'm gonna water it a bit so the roots will attach. This is called a black rose, this one, as much as I learned. This succulent, I don't know the name, but it grows and even gives nice flowers. And I'll put the aloe vera in the middle. It already has the roots. These two don't have the roots. I'm gonna add more soil so they will stay straight. Because I'm holding the camera, it's hard for me to do everything with one hand, but I'm trying my best just to share how I'm making a succulent small garden in one pot. Okay, now I have this small cute cacti or whatever it's called, which I'm going to place here. Hopefully it grows straight by time. And I have this one which already has the roots, and I'm going to place it on this side. Okay, I have another one of it. I'll place it here facing towards the other side. Oops. I'll place this small cute one in the middle. The small ones that see the root is there, see that? I have another one here, the roots, and then I have the third one with a root which I'll place on in the middle. Let's hope they all attach themselves to this soil and start growing like a very happy family of succulents. Okay, let me pour more water and my succulent garden is ready. Grow fast and grow pretty, my dear succulents. That's it, done. Now for the purpose of decoration, I'm going to add these pebbles, which are just small stones, river stones. I guess it will look cute. Let me see. I may even decorate with the white ones mixed with the green one. I'll show you the final result, because I have to do this with both hands, not just one, because it's hard to hold with one hand and decorate with the other one. There are lots of nuances that I have to go around the plants. Okay, see you in a bit. Ta-da! And here is the final product of my imaginative small succulent garden. I used the white pebbles to surround the corners, and the middle part I added the green pebbles, which are smaller in size, and kind of they put a fence in between the plants so they don't stick to each other. Like this small one is supported with the green pebbles around it. The same is this one, this small one, which has its own kind of protective fence. Well, I hope they grow as a happy family, and when they grow larger, I'll move them out and place them into another pot. I also have another video like this one, gardening video, but it's a succulent garden in a shell, which I may link below this video in the description box, so you may check it out. And if you like this type of videos, please don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos like this one. I also do baking, cooking. I sometimes go places and do vlogs like traveling videos and organizational videos. Hope you like it, and whoever is new to my channel, welcome and feel yourself as a family member. Thanks a lot and see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.